stripes look mean. Gave the whole car a different look. You good? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy King Reckless, back with another video. As you can see by the title of the video, we are carbon fibering my brother's full interior on his Mustang GT. This thing is nasty, but he got all the parts over here. He bought it from this company. He did not get sponsored. He got it off a Black Friday sale. It usually goes for $400, but he got it for $200. But it got every single, it's the full interior kit. Y'all let me know what y'all rock with more, that 5.0 or the Scatty. This thing is a complete monster. He got the dual stripes, tinted the front windshield, got the reindeer ears, cause you know, it's Mary Chrysler. He did clean the full interior already. You use soap and water, right?
Yeah, soap and hot water.
Soap and hot water. You don't use any other interior cleaner because it will not stick properly. Clean the whole, vacuum it just so it can look better. But yeah, this is finna look nasty. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment. I appreciate all that. 2020, we are going up. There's no slowing down. We're gonna have a lot of banger videos, so y'all stay tuned. That's how the carbon fiber looks. Looks real nasty. Y'all see them brake calipers I just put on my car in the last video. But yeah, that's really it. Let's get right into this video.
Hear me turn that beat up, yeah.
Run up that check and then we knock off. Every nigga day the mouth off. Thinking it's good for God, you was some outlaws. Coordinations, nigga.
You finna install this piece first? Yeah, this is finna look nasty, bro. So he got this piece, this whole piece right there with the speedometer. What else you got? Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the, what about right here?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you did. I remember seeing that piece. You got the whole kit, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this finna look nasty. I am waiting for someone to make a damn kit for the Challenger. I saw on the page that it was gonna come out next year, 2020. As soon as that comes out, it's over. I'm buying that. Carbon fiber looks so clean. Oh my, that looks clean already, dog. Oh God. Yeah, make sure it's good. It's supposed to be perfect fitting, bro. It's supposed to fit good. You ain't supposed to see nothing. Oh, that's tough. Bro, that's tough. See, this is what I tell my bro all the time. I feel like little details like that really makes the car stand the hell out. I don't know why he hasn't done this before, but this looks amazing. Like now I feel like I'm in a newer model. Not newer, but it just, I don't know. It gives it, yeah, it gives the car a whole new look. That's just one piece. Imagine, ooh. Y'all comment down below if y'all rocking with that. Which one you finna do next?
See the silver. Oh, I'm doing all the middle first. Inside
Oh yeah, do the, yeah, you're right. Go step by step. I am finna take this off. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but I need to redo it. I don't just want to leave it like that. Just leave it, take it off red so it can at least be clean for right now until I get it again. But if I get it again, I'm going to Mod FX to get it installed, or a shop like professionally, just because like I feel like I've always had trouble with this thing. It's the second time. But here's this brake calipers. This thing is tough, dog. YouTube name on the door. Y'all follow my dog's IG, Rudy's 50. If y'all want to see some more pics of this nasty beast. Alex, you still gotta finish these stripes, dog. It's gonna kill it even more. Good thing is, look, you're covering this. Shit like that, bro. That's why I want to carbon fiber mine. It covered. I have a, where my cup holder is, it's pretty bad right there. That carbon fiber though, like that. Man. You got to take this off, fool.
Yeah, no.
You can put it, no, you can put it back on the carbon fiber, but I'm saying you have to take it off right now.
No, I don't think I am. It's not gonna look good. You think so? Take it off. Try to take it off.
2,000 years later.
We need a heat gun. Go get the heat gun.
Ooh, this is clean. This is clean. You haven't even done the full dash yet. And there goes this piece.
Oh, that's a BMW.
Yeah, would you consider that total?
No, that bitch ain't total, but BMW.
Them parts about to be expensive.
That's just that much. What's up? Put me on the vlog.
Oh yeah, let me put you on the vlog though. What's up? How y'all been doing? Yeah, Bruce, D.O. Diddy on the vlog.
Say, come here.
Looking like a goddamn 10.
No, that's my junior right there.
Matching shoes. Oh look, don't forget. Bam. Yes, sir.
Some camera
You see what's on my feet. Yo.
You got the Nintendo.
Make sure the police don't get all
Your
that.
side.
See what we riding there and see our address is coming. Right.
Yeah.
What?
Circle K.
What? That's tough.
30 something.
We got this side,
Good
this.
scoring game.
Want to see something?
What you trying to show over there?
I'm trying to flex.
Oh!
I ain't got nothing over here. Man, you didn't mess up this time. Remember last time they
Oh yeah, they wrong.
Why'd you put it green?
I messed them up for real?
On the Mustang?
Did I really?
Clean that up, son.
These look like a shop did them. That last one on the Mustang, them mother like I spray
Oh,
painted.
I remember the Mustang.
You holding
I
it.
did spray paint.
What if I would have done green?
Say,
That'll work.
go follow me on the gram at Film 3X.
Y'all seen me last time. Y'all know my Instagram.
Tell them
is.
again, and it might be new people.
Man, buddy, 3 times with 2 Y's.
Yeah,
What about you, legendary Bruce?
According to my calculations, the hair follicles on this side is a little bit uneven modularly wise. So I'm just trying to see.
Man, get the fuck from behind me, man.
Behind the scenes. Y'all go follow him on IG. What's your IG, Spug?
I am Spook J. That's some other shit.
Go follow me, man. The cameraman, man. The cameraman on that ground.
I told you, it's clean. It is now complete. The finished product. Let's take a look. Watch out the way, boy.
I'm gonna cave you in your shit. Keep fucking with me. I'm gonna cave you in your
Damn.
Keep fucking with me.
On gang, on phone. See the phone?
Say, bro, go fuck with my ground.
Bitch, I know damn well you just got the fucking notifications on your phone. Stop lying.
Lights ain't working. What you think, Bruce? You rock with it? Now you need to get this piece. You can get these like you said. Is this what you're trying to show me? This? Hey, be a vlogger for
I need
once.
face tattoos
Go
and
tell me
everything.
if you rock with the Dash Kid. Go explain the review, everything.
You know what
How
time
you
it
be
is.
a vlogger? Come on.
Say, look. Hey, man. Get on my
what do we
car.
got here?
You know, we got this 5.0 Mustang, you heard me. Red and black interior, red, black on the outside. Red and black driver, too, you heard me? You know, so we gonna do our ditty and show you how we just put the carbon fire everywhere in here. Look, tell me if y'all like this. I did my ditty on that, you heard me? Hit me up.
You rock with it?
I rock with it. Y'all rock with it. Comment.
But that was just a simple install video. If y'all rock with it, y'all know where to get it. I'm gonna put it in the description down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here.
And y'all stay tuned because we got the wheel coming in. Full carbon wheel.
Full carbon fiber wheel. But yeah, 2020 we going all up. We got banger videos coming out. Y'all rock with me. Like, comment, subscribe, browse my videos. And I'm gonna end this video right here. My name is King Reckless and I'm out. Peace.
Head